Hola,
Hola.
and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. It's Sunday, the 7th of April, and where have we come?
We got a lift with Brits Living in Spain. We've come in their car up to Lemon Tree Market.
Yeah, Guatemala.
Now we've got a bit of a challenge today. I'm going to give you
Ooh,
10
you're giving me money.
euros.
It's giving me money.
And I want to see how much veg you can get, whatever you want, but mainly veg, fruit and veg.
Fruit
Let's
and
see how
veg.
much you can get for a tenner.
For a tenner.
So, you're going to buy some of this broccoli?
Yeah. Do you pick your own then?
Yeah. You pick your own. Some money. How much has she spent?
Euros worth there.
How many have you got?
3.
You got 3?
Got 3.
Gracias. Thank you.
Is that a kilo?
No, I wouldn't have thought that were a kilo. No, that might be.
I'll have them. I'll have them.
Yeah. Lovely.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Do we want anything else?
Get your money out.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's done with, you can get it in Mercadona done with honey.
Nice.
To what you get.
Yeah. What do you think? You buy some beer and some wine? Wonder what it's like.
So, on this one here, they're doing about everything that's in the bag is euro. Cucumbers.
I'll get some red
Peppers.
Different peppers.
No.
Yeah.
They're nice.
Get
Stuffed
some
with
of these.
rice or cream cheese or
I'll get a bag of peppers.
Some peppers.
I'm going to get some peppers.
You
I
need some
mainly
peppers?
like red ones, but I might get one with...
I like them all,
Red.
actually.
I'm not keen on green.
Are you not? Can
No.
you get red and yellows? I've got red and yellows in a bag. What about this one? No. No, they're reds.
They are red. Red.
Yeah. Oh, you can get a bag of each.
I won't go through a bag of each. See?
Yeah.
See? One.
Gracias.
Uno. Yeah. This one. Gracias. Gracias.
Muy bien, tomate, muy buen tomate.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll get something else here, I think. Gracias. Okay. I'll have a bag of these cucumbers.
Yeah. Why not? Here we go.
Mari.
Uno.
Gracias.
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 Llevaron tomate de pera.
So what are you after? Some
Some tarragon or estragon.
tarragon?
I think it's estragon. Stunning.
Y que eso no me lo arregla la valla ni, te lo
Estragon.
Que es, no, pero
Estragon.
que me refiero que tiene muchas vitaminas. Tiene muchas vitaminas.
Ah, tiene vitaminas.
Tiene muchas
Y
propiedades.
eso,
Gracias.
se las comes, come.
Las enjuagas y
Gracias.
te las puedes lavar.
Gracias.
Y te las puedes comer.
That's amazing, isn't it? Look at that.
Purple colour. It looks like it's been cooked with red cabbage.
Cooked. Wow. That's
Oh,
good.
they've
Isn't
got some white ones as well. Which side of the counter can I go?
it? And you just go in and say, come this side.
So look at the white ones.
That is pretty spectacular, isn't it? Get a normal and a pink one.
Shall we try one?
Yeah.
That one.
Oh.
Oh.
Muy bien.
Oh. Gracias. Gracias.
Oranges?
Vamos a la cata,
There's
mujeres.
satsumas.
Satsumas. These are fresh, aren't they? Still got the leaves on. Don't they be a little bit this colour, don't they? Like that. That looks a nice
That's
one.
all right. Put that in bag.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That'll do, won't it? How many have you got?
Got 6 now.
Yeah.
That'll be enough.
That's enough. Keep us going till next week. It's only 60 a kilo.
Yeah.
60 cents a kilo.
Don't know what I've got in my pocket now.
There's a
How much?
20.
20. Gracias.
So we lost you. I thought you were in front of us.
To now then.
What have we spent so far?
I haven't really been adding it up, but I'm into the second fiver.
Shock horror.
Just looking at strawberries. Do you think they're all right at this time of year?
The strawberries are lovely at this time of year.
They look nice.
They're $3.99 a kilo.
Kilo, yeah.
Don't really want
I was going to say you
loads,
want kilo,
no.
You got a bag? Hola. You sell how many?
I just want dos.
Just dos. Yeah. Are you 4?
No, I don't want 4.
Well, they're so cheap, aren't they? I don't know how
Yeah,
many charge
but
you
what
for.
do I do? I'll get.
Get quattro.
No, I'll get 3.
Oh, 3. Okay.
So how much is that?
Very big. Peanuts.
How much?
That's 30, isn't it? Just give it that.
I'll just.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Get my change. Gracias.
Gracias. Oh, look at the cherry tomatoes. Lovely and sweet.
¿Cuánto? 3 kilos.
No, 3 kilos.
Ah, 300.
So how much will that be?
That'll be just over €1.
120, perfect.
No.
Gracias.
Solo para...
Gracias.
Sí.
Gracias.
You don't want many.
2 kilos for €3. Don't know if we've seen them any cheaper than that. Because I haven't really been looking.
That's a good price, isn't it? Right.
How much are strawberries here?
€5 a punnet.
And how much are they a kilo? So this seems to be about the going price, doesn't it?
Oh, there's the
Yeah, you go and try one.
Try one.
Let's try one.
horseradish.
Oh, quite nice.
Yeah? Sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
We'll get half a kilo of those. Half kilo, please. So once. Two.
That'll be 2.
Yeah. That's all I had on Friday night. I showed the
Gracias.
Gracias. You've just spent 2 on those strawberries, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
That's a bit of a luxury item.
Yeah.
A luxury item.
Treat. But we're getting a bit low now.
What have we got?
128, I think.
28.
128 out of that 10. They're little cauliflowers, aren't they? Look behind you. What size are them?
You might get them for like €5 or something
Yeah.
when they're proper in season.
Yeah.
But they are cute, aren't they?
They're cute,
We've
yeah.
just bought these asparagus, lovely. 2 bunches, and look how thick that is. For
Yeah.
€3.
That's good, yeah.
Brilliant.
There's 50. They're not so great. Look a bit.
Ooh. You got your bag?
Yeah. But we're getting some new potatoes.
Some new potatoes. We've given up on the sweet potatoes. We saw some, but they're a little bit on the manky side.
Very manky.
A little bit old, so we're gonna get this, the new potatoes instead. And these are €3 for 2 kilos. We don't want 2 kilos, do we?
We don't want 2 kilos, no. That's probably about a
But
kilo.
we'll get some little keepers going for a good old week.
This might actually push me over what I've got.
Just get what you
But
want.
I'm just going to get them, and I'll just get some onions here.
So you get your potatoes and your onions here.
Get a little one. I'm going to get 4 onions.
4 big onions.
They look really nice, these.
They look nice, don't they?
Yeah.
Good condition.
Yeah, right. That's it. And I hope I've got enough money left for these. Yes.
Have you got enough money?
I don't know. I'll just probably give her what I've got and see. That's 128.
Think you'll be short? So yeah, that was I think that was 220.
Gracias.
Gracias.
So 5, 6, 7, 70.
So what did you get? You got 770. Yeah.
770.
So they charge you 230.
230.
230. So let's go back to the. Where did we come
I think
in?
it's down here, isn't it?
So, look,
They're filming us.
we lost you. We couldn't find you.
Can't remember where you was.
Yeah, we went into the wrong car park. They all look same, don't they? Yeah.
No, we didn't get any sweet potatoes. We got some new potatoes
We
and
gave up on
onions
it.
instead.
Yeah.
Is it cheaper now than what you thought?
Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, I think it is. It's actually cheaper than I thought. I knew it was going to be cheap, but it's cheaper than I thought it was going to be.
Just compare it a bit with what you pay in the supermarket, and it is a lot.
Swings
cheaper
around about.
for
Yeah.
a lot of it.
What I'll say is keep an eye on their channel and you'll see what they got and whether they managed to under or overspend on their €10 budget. I'm telling you nothing. That's for your channel.
Right.
The only thing that I'll say about the fruit here, it doesn't tend to last as long
Yes.
Yeah.
as it does with as the fruit that you buy in a supermarket.
Yeah.
So that proves that the supermarket fruit's been treated.
Yeah. Process.
Yeah.
It's not here. So if you buy loads and loads of fruit, it might not last you for
It might not keep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have to eat it as quick as we can. Won't we?
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm making a crumble.
Right.
Crumble,
Yeah.
Vegetable crumble.
Well, we mainly bought veg,
Yeah.
so
the veg
not a
is
lot
no
of
problem,
fruit.
But the fruit does spoil quicker.
Yeah.
Now, here's what we got. It's all under there.
Ooh.
And we'll show you that later.
All for less than a tenner. Yeah. You fancy chicken?
I love a chicken. Un pollo con salsa, por favor. Spanish there.
Bit of Spanish, eggy Spanishing. I'm impressed. And how much is it? It's $6.90.
$6.90.
Chicken with salsa.
Okay, it's coming.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gracias.
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 Thank you. Just where it's all happening. This is it. This is it. Put,
You're not here, you've got marks on them.
I'm looking forward to my chicken.
Yeah, can't wait.
So here we are. This is what we bought at Lemon Tree Market today. Show them that. I think that's amazing.
So we've got 2 cauliflowers.
2 massive cauliflowers.
2 for €1, a normal white one, but then we've got a purple one.
I've never seen one like that before. Have you?
No, only if you've cooked it with red cabbage or beetroot.
That's
So-
amazing.
We'll see if it tastes any different. We've got some new potatoes, bag of new potatoes. We've got 4 onions, 3 cucumbers. They were €1 for 3 cucumbers. These 6 tomatoes.
Beautiful
they
tomatoes.
Were 120 or 130. Can't remember now.
Pennies.
We've got some lovely
Now,
strawberries.
this were a luxury item, wasn't it? If we hadn't bought the strawberries, I think we could have got twice as much. But the strawberries are probably expensive this time of year, maybe?
$3.99 a kilo.
$3.99 for a kilo of
And
strawberries.
we've got half a kilo.
We've got half a kilo, a lot of strawberries, and
But they are.
some big strawberries.
Smell gorgeous.
And look at these mushrooms. Big mushrooms.
Satsumas.
Satsumas.
6 satsumas.
3 lemons.
3 lemons. This bag of peppers.
You got a special deal on that, didn't you?
Yeah, she added an
threw that
extra one in, yeah. So they were €1.
€1 for all that.
And 3 broccoli for
Three
€1.
broccolis. Look at them lovely broccolis there.
That's a bargain.
Absolutely so.
Oh,
good.
that would probably cost you about 60 or 70p just for that.
Just for that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all that.
What's in here? Oh,
Oh, yeah.
that's our dinner. Shall we show them? And then we'll see what change you've got. It's a chicken, but it's
Special chicken.
it's chicken in
It's got sauce,
I don't know.
but it's with
Anyway,
sauce and some garlic.
garlic. Looking forward to that. And that was $6.99.
$6.90. It were actually €7.
Yeah, €7. $6.99.
€6.90, but $7 because
but
she put the sauce.
She
and
made
garlic
it
on.
all, and she cut it up for. She put the sauce and she put the garlic in, so that's ready to eat. It's super.
And I tell you what else I got, which ain't on here. One of my favourite herbs, tarragon or estragon.
Estragon, as it's called in Spain. Tarragon
So
in
that,
UK.
that and the chicken wasn't included in the €10 because they were separate.
Yeah.
So, the moment of truth, have I got anything left in my pocket?
How much money have you got?
How much
left?
did you give me?
I give you 2 €5 notes.
Right, so I've got a 50.
Got a 50. Wow, 50. That's 5%.
And a 5.
And a 5. Oh, getting to shrapnel now.
And a 2.
And a 2.
And what's that? A 1.
So you got
58
58 cents left. 58
That's
cents.
€10.
Yeah, so I mean for 58 cents
We could have got something else.
you could have bought another.
You were looking for a
Some more
sweet
lemons?
potato.
Yeah.
Could have bought a sweet potato.
We wanted some sweet potatoes, but we didn't see any that were. We saw some, and it were 80 cents per kilo, but they were a bit manky.
They were
weren't
quite scabby.
I think that's why they were cheap, because we saw some others
The $1.99.
and they were $1.99, but we didn't go back for them. So, but we're happy because we got our potatoes.
They're
so-
mushrooms.
Where's the potatoes? Oh, they're there. Hey. So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already,
Because it's free.
and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.
Adios.